Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Mina. Thank you very much for clicking on my video. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel. There are lots of videos on my channel that can help you improve your English. In this video, we are going to learn 10 tech-related phrasal verbs, everything about social media and online interactions. Are you ready to start? Give this video a thumbs up and let's start with our first phrasal verb. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. It means to move downwards on a web page or an app. Something we always do when we are reading a long article. For example, if you want to see more posts, just scroll down on your feed. Next phrasal verb is sign up. Sign up. Sign up. To register or create an account on a website or an app means to sign up. These days, if you want to use most online services, you need to sign up first. For example, if you want to subscribe to my channel, you need to sign up with your email. Next phrasal verb is sign in. Sign in. Sign in. It's similar to login. It means to enter your username and password to access to your account. Once you sign up, you have to sign in to keep using your account. Can you make an example with it? Let me think. An example. You need to sign into your account to start online shopping. Next phrasal verb is backup. 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 To save a copy of your data in case something happens to the original means to back up. What do you usually back up? Your photos? Your phone numbers? For example, it's always a good idea to back up your important files if you don't want to lose them. For example, don't forget to back up your photos before switching phones. Next phrasal verb is follow up. Follow up. Follow up. To check back or get more information on something. It's something that we normally do with comments. To follow up on a comment. Once you write a comment, you go back and check it to continue the conversation. Next on the list is click on. Click on. Click on. It means to press a link, a button, or image on your screen using your finger or your mouse. For example, click on the subscribe button, then click on the bell. Now you will get a notification for new uploads. Next phrasal verb is swipe up. Swipe up. Swipe up. When you move your finger upwards on a touch screen, you're swiping up. It's very common on TikTok or Instagram. For example, to see more details, swipe up on the post. Okay? Next phrasal verb is log on to. Log on to. Log on to. It means to access a website or an online service. It's very similar to sign in or log in, but we use log on to especially with websites. Don't forget, websites. For example, if you want to access the course, you need to log on to the website. Tell me, are you taking notes of the phrasal verbs? Take this one down. Zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. To make an image or document appear larger on your screen means to zoom in. For example, I can't read that text. Can you zoom in on it? Do you know the opposite of zoom in? It's zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. To make an image or document seem smaller on your screen. It's useful to see more of the page at once. For example, if you want to see the whole picture, zoom it out. Let's repeat all the 10 phrasal verbs that we've learned in this lesson. Scroll down. Sign up. Sign in. Back up. Follow up. Click on. Swipe up. Log on to. Zoom in. And zoom out. Now it's time to check your knowledge. I'll ask you a question and you have to choose the correct phrasal verb. Are you ready? You want to see more posts on your feed. What do you do? Yes, scroll down. If you want to register for an account, what do you need to do? Did you say sign up? When your friend sends you a comment and you want to respond to it later, what would you do? Yes, correct. Follow up. If you want to make an image larger on your screen, you should. Did you say zoom in? Before switching to a new device, you want to save all your data. What should you do? That's right, you should back up your data. Nice work! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who want to improve their English too. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more English lessons. I'll be back very soon. See you!